Welcome to a new Consumer Goods review. Today we have Nescafe Gold Salted Caramel Mocha Special Edition. Here we go. So we have a new flavor from Nescafe Special Edition. And once again, check out this amazing packaging. I really like the colors, and it has these small triangles, the Illuminati. Really great packaging design by Nestle. So, salted caramel mocha. I tried mocha before, but I didn't like it so much. But let's see if salted one is better than the normal one. This guide how to make it. Very important. 85 degrees, not 100. Stir 20 seconds and ready to drink. Nutrients. Some numbers. If you wanna call Nestle, say, hey, how you doing, Nestle? I like your coffee. And here we have some more information. Really nice package, I like this. Let's see what it has inside. So inside, nothing new. This is the classic Nescafe packaging for the instant coffee. Nothing special. 8 packs of instant coffee total. So let's get our cup here and see what it looks inside. Ooh. Smells like chocolate. Here we have the powder. And now for the water. Think that's good amount. Ooh. Look, it's great. It's really nice foam on the top of the drink. This reminds me of Christmas. You drink something like this during the Christmas. Looks very appetizing. Look at this. It's the moment of truth. Let's see if Nescafe Gold Salted Caramel Mocha tastes any good. So, I have the cup over here. Really delicious smell. Really delicious. It has a nice foam on top. Nice color overall. I like this. Let's take a sip. It's sweeter than I expected. Salty, you can taste the salt here. Really yummy. The combination of salt and mocha chocolate really bring this to another new level. You know, I don't really like the normal mocha so much. At least the Nescafe mocha, I didn't like it so much. I think I gave it 7 out of 10 or something. But with salted caramel combined in it, this is the whole new thing. I really like this one. You know, it's not too sweet, but it's little sweet. It's like perfect combination of salt and sugar, but not too salty and not too sweet. I like this. What kind of ingredients it has, or how much sugar? The sugar is 44%, so actually it's really sugary. And protein 9.2, that's good. Thank you, Nestle. We need protein to become strong. And how much fat? It has fiber somehow, 3 grams of fiber. That's really interesting. 10 grams of fat. So this coffee, probably not so healthy to be honest, but it tastes good. A cup of respect. Respect this coffee. Thank you. Yeah, it's a good coffee, but definitely not the best from the Nestle. Their other coffees are much better, like the salted caramel latte is much better. I like more milky one, so latte for me it's better than mocha. But if you're a friend of mocha, I think you definitely should try this one out. This is like some Starbucks level stuff. Right here, you can make your home in an instant coffee version. And super easy, you don't need any machines, just put hot water. That's what Nescafe is all about. You can forget all the machines, just get hot water and you have amazing coffee experience in your mouth. Thank you, Nestle. I give this 8 and a 10. No, what I'm saying, 8 out of 10. Really solid mocha, salted caramel. I like it, but not my favorite from Nescafe. There's other better ones, like salted caramel latte, like I said before, and many others. Iced cappuccino, that one is really good. Yeah, solid 8 of 10. Recommended for mocha friends, and thanks for watching. This has been Consumer Goods Review. Subscribe for more reviews and like the video so I can become big on YouTube. I will be the best reviewer on YouTube. I will review everything. Everything will be reviewed. I will review IKEA, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Procter & Gamble, General Mills, Walmart, Tesco, Costco, Sony, Canon, Samsung, Huawei. Everything will be reviewed on this channel right now. Subscribe right now. But also subscribe faster on Spotify from Epic Music. Thanks for watching. Tester on Spotify.